bahay namin. Filipino size.
The cat is gonna die soon.
Hello everyone! I have a plan today. Magkukulay ng buhok. Last time, I think mga 3 weeks ago, nag-color na ako ng buhok ko ng brown. Kikita na yung black part ng hair ko. Pero I was supposed to color blue dito sa baba. Pero hindi ko siya na-continue kasi I want to see muna kung ano yung outcome ng color brown bago ako maglagay ng color blue. And this is the color. Yes, this one. Actually, Bremode yung ginamit ko sa brown hair. But this one is color blue. Yan. Dito sa tumuila, para bawa na highlight. Sa sulod or gawas? Dito sa loob. Sa loob. Ayan. Konti lang yung niya, yung effect niya. Pero yan yung gusto ko ma-achieve. Like,
Ayaw kailangan. Bukan siyang dark. Bukan light sa pagpawa.
this is another vlog. And today, pupunta kami ng bungalow house. I call it bungalow house. Ayun, nagbabanding kami ngayon. It's a family day. It's Sunday. I did some work. Nag-upload ako ng video for today. And probably this video will be uploaded next week. Nadala akong pagkain. Crackers, onion flavor. Ito. Tuna salad. Yung asawa yung gumawa nito. Hindi ako. Yun lang yung mga ginawa ko ngayong umaga. And I'm ready to go. Nagkantay na sila sa akin. Ready na guys? Yan. Inihintay lang nila ako. Let's go. Walking papunta sa bungalow house, and ito yung daanan namin. Yes, I'm vlogging. Good morning. Ito po yung bahay namin. Hi kuya, say hi to my vlog. Okay. Ito yung there. House tour. Dito kami magbabanding-banding. Siomai. And our food. And the kiddos. Dito tayo. Ayan, ito po yung likod ng bahay. We're checking our plants. Cute. Like me. Ouch! Agoy. Ang liit naman ng eggplant mo. Yeah, this is your eggplant.
Your egg.
Filipino size. said, you're destroying my house. Are you enjoying it?
I'm happy. It's working well.
Enjoy man siya.
Okay. Take this back with you.
As usual.
Or just hold it for a minute. I'll carry it.
Ha?
You hold it for a minute, I'll carry it back.
Ah, no need mo. I'll do it. Ako lang naman to. Ito yung selfie ko sa buhay. Paksheter.
You want this? Siomay?
Uy, ano mo doon? Ako sa camera.
Yeah, maybe more work.
Shamay! Ay!
Move. So get me a fork, please. Oh shit, fork.
Kay mag-eat na.
Hello everyone.
Ready your earplug, for sure. How am I gonna sing?
It's like the Raymond. Damulag ba?
The cat isn't gonna die soon.
Marites!
Tanggal sa saging.
Ganito pa rito sa amin pag
Isus
mag-marites.
marisip. Ika-adin ni ka ni Angie.
Punggut!
Grandpa.
Tagaw.
Grandpa.
Tagaw ni Angie. Nabilyo na.
Kaya namin kinakat yung mga branches ng tree na yan. Kasi ano naman siya, naka-slope.
You guys have to go over there now.
Okay, let's go guys. Come here.
Hi!
Kailangan namin i-cut yan kasi it's blocking the view and also basta may plan kami dyan. Hindi ko lang muna ngayon isasabihin. Wow!
Not bad.
Kaya mo yan, Nat. Update. Ganyan na po siya.
Nakita ako.
Wala na. Bye-bye. Mango tree.
No more shade.
Thank you guys, our little helper. Ka-cute mo. I think that's all today.
That's all for this video. Oh, maganda ko nagbulig eh.